Welcome to Roam Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Buy Miles Paper Mile Insurance Review My Usage Experience. Buy Miles Paper Mile Insurance Review My Usage Experience offers car insurance based on how many miles you drive. It's aimed at drivers who don't drive a lot, promising lower premiums for those with lower mileage. Key features seem to include mileage tracking and potentially personalized pricing based on your driving habits. Their website provides details on specific plans and coverage options. Buy Miles positions itself as a cost-effective alternative to traditional car insurance. Their website highlights the benefit of paying only for the miles you drive, promising no hidden fees and potentially no contracts, although you'll need to check their specific offerings to confirm. They appear to use telematics to track mileage, which is a fairly common approach in this type of insurance. Availability will vary by location, so it's best to check their website for coverage in your area. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Buy Miles Paper Mile Insurance Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was pretty straightforward. I signed up online, providing the necessary information about my car and driving history. The whole process took about 15 minutes. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. I could easily see my mileage tracked, my current premium, and my projected costs. I found the reporting quite detailed, breaking down my driving by day and even showing average speeds. I had a quick question about how the mileage tracking worked, and their support responded within 2 days via email, which I thought was reasonable. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the clarity of the pricing. It's easy to see exactly how much I'm paying and why. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Managing everything through the website was a little inconvenient at times. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Buy Miles. It saved me money compared to my previous insurer, and the peace of mind of knowing I'm only paying for what I use is a big plus. That's my overview of Buy Miles Paper Mile Insurance Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Roam Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.